Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. Today's practice is eye acupoint massage, a very traditional, very old practice where we use the finger pads of the index or the middle fingers, your choice, on different eye acupoints around the eyes, and we end up with some other massage points on the head as well. This is very gentle. We take the finger pads and we press in and we just kind of rotate, kind of circle. This is very gentle, and we don't put our fingers in our eyes. It is a good idea to wash your hands before this. We can warm up our hands. And then inner corner of the eyes, we just rotate. Inner corner of the eyebrow, rotate. Swipe from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eyebrow a few times. While you're doing that, feel for a divot right in the middle. We're going to come back to that point right above the pupil and circle there. And then the outer corner of the eyebrow. Dropping down to the outer corner of the eye, very gently. Swiping underneath the eyes. Coming back underneath the pupil and back to the start. And then down the ridge of the nose and the base of the nose. 2 points at the base. 2 points behind the ears. And palms on our temples. Before putting our hands over our ears and drumming on the base of where the head meets the pillow. This is our eye acupoint massage. And we followed with some other points too, behind the ears, the temples, the fragrance points, good for the sinuses and the smell, sense of smell. And beating the heavenly drum, kind of waking up the brain. These acupoints are good not only for around the eyes, they are good for around the eyes, and for the face, and for the brain, the head in general, but also they connect with other parts of the body, and it's good for general overall health. We use this practice to come back from a deep meditative session, to come back to our senses before we reintegrate into daily life. You can also take this with you to quickly release tension in the eyes and refresh yourself.